and Nathan Wright in the black Dodge Neon. Who wants the Dodge to win? Alright, that's the only thing I can guarantee all night. Look at that purple underbill on that, that's pretty sweet. Alright, so the officials are going to make their way to safety. Tyler's like, I already know what to do. I'm a veteran at this. So they will wait here. Drivers, watch the flagman. Our official's going to get to safety here as soon as they throw the green. So they'll wait on Mike. Green flag is out. We're underway with our first one-on-one match race. Pretty even start. Oh, that's Neon. Not just the light. But the trick is you still got to make it around the track here. And Tyler, he knows the way around. Tyler's closing in. We're going to get a little race here. Tyler Vickery, where's he going to go? Okay, see, the Neon's like, oh, I got to use what I got here. But then there's a turn. Hang on. Hang on, Nathan. Here they come. Nathan's got the lead. Tyler's trying to close in. Drag race down the front. Nathan will win it in the Neon. That's up with Casey off there. Put Casey on the inside, Bill on the outside. DJ checking over with the drivers. Looks like they are set, so as soon as the officials get to safety, they'll wait on the flagman. They'll be ready to drag race here. Green flag is out. We are underway. Who's going to get the advantage? Pretty even right now. Oh, that Mustang won the break. There. Typical Mustang fashion, but he's able to hang on to it. Casey Hawthorne in the black machine. Oh, man. The brakes work pretty well on the grass car. Casey Hawthorne with a big lead. Will he make it back around? He's had some trouble in 3 and 4 in the past, but not tonight. Casey Hawthorne is going to be alert. That is the white Beamer. Thank you. So the 2017 white BMW M2 for Mike Mitchell. So we'll have Mike versus Freeman here in our next round. Again, the winner will move on. Who's rooting for BMW? Who's rooting for? I already forgot what the other thing is here. Who's rooting for the Acura? Look, I like muscle cars and race cars, so you just gotta forgive me. All right, officials gonna clear the track. And they'll wait on the green flag. Green flag is out. Standing start. Who's going to get the jump? Beamer. Alright, right now the Beamer with the advantage. Let's see if he can make it back around. That is Mike Mitchell with the lead, and the Acura is hanging with him. Look at this. Look at this. He's trying to get a run on it. Blasting down the back. Now the Beamer's getting comfortable. He's getting confident. Mike Mitchell with the lead. Let's see if he can hang on. Here they come, moving tight off the corner. Drag race, the flag, Mike Mitchell is now winning. Tree Man in the white Dodge Challenger. And we have Bob Keane in the Mercedes. So, white car's going to win it. We'll find out which one here in a moment. Well, that Challenger is pretty. I want it back. Alright, right now, big advantage for the Dodge, but we haven't started yet. So back it up there, back it up. Nice even start. See some pinks. We don't get to argue for car lanes before we start here. So again, Tree Man in the white Dodge. And then Bob Keane. The Mercedes on the outside. So we're getting ready here to see who's going to move on to round number 2. Semifinals. They'll wait on the flagman. Mike gives him the green. Go boys, go! Oh, they got the Dodge now. If he didn't win, I get to take his car home. So guess we'll tell him when he gets back. I'll trade him the Durango. Come on, Tree Man, go! Bob Keane with a big lead. Come on, Tree Man. All right, here comes Bob Keane. And he will easily, I mean, it was kind of close. Come on, Tree Man. That thing's got more than that. Tree Man, Tree Man, Tree Man. He made it. He didn't want to put that. Casey Hawthorne's got a lot of horsepower in that Mustang, but not a lot of traction sometimes. So, Casey Hawthorne down on the inside. And then Nathan Wright on the outside. Mustang versus Neon. Ford versus Dodge. Get ready. They'll wait on the green. There it is. Go, boys, go! Casey Hawthorne gets the jump. It's comes Nathan, look at that. Nathan trying to close the corner because Casey's got the momentum right now. Casey Hawthorne really stretching it out here. Hawthorne looking to move into the finals. Nathan doing a good job trying to hang on to that thing, but Casey Hawthorne will move on to the finals. So, Casey trying to make it out here last. Nice and even down there. Alright, the official's going to clear out. Drivers are set. Get the officials to safety. No wait on Mike's green flag. Mike looking them over. We'll wait for the officials to. Come on, don't pull the hands right now. Green flag is out. Semi-finals. See, it's not over yet. Again, just because you get a big jump, can't navigate the corners, man. Bob Keno with a big lead, looking to race his way into the finals. Bob's on the brakes. Here we go. We're gonna race. Close it in. Come on, give it some support. It's gonna be close. Here they come. Bob Keno trying to hold on, and he will win. Bob Keno edges out Mike Mitchell. 1 negative. All right, so here it is. This is it. 1 lap to settle it. Give it all you got, boys. Wait on the green. Green flag is out. Casey Hawthorne versus Bob Keno. Bob Keno on the inside, and Hawthorne can get going. Hawthorne, you got the advantage. So what about you now? Casey Hawthorne's on the gas, and he's way on the outside. And that's how you start, it's how you finish. Here we go. Casey Hawthorne, he's got the advantage. Bob Keno saying spin out. Would you spin out? Come on, Casey. And he's not going to do it. Casey Hawthorne is going to win. Bob Keno going to run up tonight. Casey Hawthorne, he couldn't make it last time, and he made something for it tonight. And he wins it again. Usually this is the point where we put them all together. We can't do it anymore. We're lucky we get to do this. And Casey Hawthorne will get to be our winner. We'll head down and grab a quick word with him. EMOD, start bringing them up for your feature event, please. EMOD, we need you guys to staging at this time. Thank you, Matt. Jared, we're getting ready to go. No stranger, Spectator Racing, Victory Lane. Casey Hawthorne, hey, you made it here. We're glad you made it, buddy. First and foremost. Second of all, congratulations, and we didn't make you run the 5 laps this time. Hey, congratulations.
Thank you. It's an honor to be here. And when I say that, I'm not kidding. I had troubles this week getting here and last week getting here, and just glad I'm here, and I'm glad all you guys are here. Family fun night.
At least the car held up for the race. It don't matter how you get here or how you get home, right? It's all about the race.
Right. I could sleep in the car. Well, not well, but sure.
I don't recommend that. All things aside, we hope you make it home safe. And we got a little bit of money somewhere for you for winning this thing, and it's still $100 to win.
Well, that's about what it takes to get here, especially if I order extra hash browns at the Awful House. But can I say something? Because I had trouble getting here. And on my way, I stopped at my buddy Steve's. I don't know if you know Steve, but I can't cuss, sorry. Anyhow, family fun night after all. So I go, Steve, help me out. And all he does is, harass me and make fun of me and offer me beer and marijuana. Well, I'm going there now. Anyway, so I'd like to thank his wife, Karen Young, and his dog, Wilson, not Steve. I told him I was going to do this. Speedway videos.
Well, now we know what you're going to do with that $100, so thanks for telling everybody. And we suggest that you make sure you're home safe before all that.
Yeah, I'll go halfway home. So.
Well, at least a place to stay tonight. But hey, we appreciate you coming out and supporting this. We're glad you made it this time.
Thank you, Brian. Good.
All right, Casey Hawthorne. Mandy. Thank you, Mandy. So we'll let you get some pictures here, and we'll find out where your $100 is, because I ain't gonna let you leave without it. So, Casey, congratulations.
Thank you. She knows what kind of kid we went to high school together. So she's proof that I actually passed the 11th grade.
To hear that. So ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Casey Hawthorne, your Spectator race winner.